Harappan civilization in Ghaggar Basin. Ghaggar Basin is one of the very fertile regions of Haryana, and it's a part of Punjab plains, and it attracts early peoples during the 4th millennium BC or some early. Many peoples has conducted archaeological excavation and exploration in the region, and among them Dr. Suraj Bhan, Dr. Silak Ram Punia, Professor Manmohan Kumar Brahmdat, Professor Amar Singh, Mahendra Singh, Shri J.P. Joshi, R.C. Thakran, R.N. Singh, Narendra Parmar are some of the scholars who put the region on the archaeological map and discovered large number of proto-historical sites in the region. I conducted explorations in Haryana, Rajasthan, and Western UPs. Basically, I followed the village to village survey, recording of the geo coordinates of the sites using GPS, photography, participated in the excavations at Farmana, Girawad, Mithathal, Madina, and Bhilana. After explorations, we did proper documentation of pottery, antiquities, and other things, whatever we recovered during the exploration. Apart from exploration and excavation, I got chance to study material housed in various museums in Haryana. And after that, a comparative analysis of the data, specifically ceramics, along with the excavated sites and published material. And lastly, we plot all the sites on the map. This is the matrix of the explored site. Ghaggar Akra or pre-Harappan or Hakra, total 5 sites so far has been known in like Ghaggar Basin. There are around 200 sites of early Harappan period which we explored, around 150 sites of mature Harappan period, 400 sites of late Harappan or post-urban period, 199 painted graveware, and historical and medieval sites. After 2011, most of this data on which I will talk was collected before 2011. If you can see on the map, we started explorations from the Kurukshetra region and up to the Anupgarh region in Pakistan, and in Punjab we started exploration. We did explorations from Faridkot to like in Bhiwani in Haryana, southernmost, or we can say up to the Aravalli Hills. These are some excavated sites in the region of specifically Haryana. Around 33 sites so far has been excavated in Haryana, apart from in Rajasthan, Kalibanga, Karanpura, Dablibas, and many more, Barur, 4MSR. These are some important sites. This is the tentative chronology of the cultural phase or ceramic phase in the region. First, we will talk about the Ghaggar Akra culture or Hakra culture. There are only 4 sites so far has been excavated in the region which have yielded the remains of pre-Harappan culture, or normally we call it Hakra culture or Ghaggar Hakra. Among them, Kunal, Bhilana, Rakhigadi, and Girawad are famous. The early settlers of the Ghaggar Basin lives in the dwelling pits, and 2 sites have yielded the evidences of the dwelling pits in the region in the excavation. These dwelling pits are 34 to 58 centimeter in the depth and 2.30 centimeter to 2.40 centimeter diameter. And these dwelling pits are not independent from. There are many pits in the nearby region also which were used for like kitchen area. You can see this pink. These were the pit dwellings from the Kunal, and there are some hearth were excavated inside the pits, which were used probably for kitchen or cooking activities. These are the dwelling pits of the Bhirana, and the same thing like the pit dwelling complexes, and in the nearby pits some hearth and chart bones were discovered. The- These are dwelling pits of the Girawad. This site was excavated by Indus project in 2007, and you can see there are around 13, 14 pit dwelling complexes, and in this complexes some pits were used for residential area, some for kitchen, and some for storage purposes. During the exploration also, like most of the sites were removed for agriculture purposes, and open sections are visible at a number of sites. Probably these are the some dwelling evidence of the dwelling pits from the site of Kasur, located in the Kathal district of Haryana. And these are the probably dwelling pits at Farmana 3. The very close. This site was very close to the excavated site of the Farmana, and these are the some dwelling pits. You can see the proper circle lined with the bricks at the site of Kungar. This site is also located. This site is located in the Bhiwani district of Haryana, and this site is also totally damaged. And these are the basically potteries from the Ghaggar Akra phase. These are the incised decorated pottery recovered from the excavations, and these specimens were found during the explorations. You can see basically if we talk about the paintings and colors, these are basically and monochrome and polychrome. You can see a beautiful people leaf decorated here, and opposite triangles here. These are some more potsherds of Ghaggar Akra phase from various sites of Ghaggar. And this is the Ghaggar Akra pottery from Anupgarh region. And these are the drawings of the pottery from that region. And you can see like this swastik type motifs and this people leaf on specimen 4 and specimen 11. These are very interesting specimens from the region. And these are the lithic tools discovered from Anupgarh region in Rajasthan. And these are the known Rohri chart blades. And basically these blades were found on the top of a sand dune. And such lithic objects were discovered from 7, 8 sites. And all this material is known Rohri chart material. And source of this kind of chart is yet unknown. And these are the drill bits of basically chart and jasper. In the Ghaggar region, this type of any kind of drill bits are almost absent. These are the only specimens so far has been reported in the region, and these are also found from that sand dunes in the Anupgarh region. And these are some other antiquity of earliest phase, the Hakra or Ghaggar Akra period in the region. These are lapis lazuli beads and these Carlinian bead and bone points and a small chart blade. These materials recovered from Bhirana excavations. And these are some carbon 14 dates from various sites, Bhirana, Girawad and Kunal. And in other way, we can say like earliest antiquity, we can put the Ghaggar Akra phase around 3500 BC or 4000 BC maximum. Early Harappan phase, there are a large number of sites of early Harappan phase has been discovered in the region, and like sites like Balu, Burj, Kunal, Bhirana, Siswal, Sothi, Nohor, Kalibanga, Girawad, Manheru, and Karanpura so far has been excavated in the region. These are the early Harappan sites, and these big dots are the sites which were explored by us by time to time. In the region, in the Ghaggar basin, Banavali is the only site which has yielded the remains of fortification during the early Harappan period, and this red was the fortification of early Harappan period. These are the early Harappan period houses made up of mud bricks and recovered during the excavation at Kunal, sorry, at Bhidana. And these are the early Harappan seals recovered from Kunal excavations. These are, you can see the deer figurines and like circles. These are early Harappan pottery uh, recovered from the excavation and explorations. Uh, this is the typical chocolate sleepwear, and these are the very famous potsherds from Kunal. These are like people leaf motifs. These are early Harappan pottery recovered from Banavli, and you can see some wheat or barley plant and some horned deity motif. This is the early Harappan pottery from the region, and you can see we can see a beautiful bird and some octagonal geometrical figure here and polychrome. They're the early Harappan pottery from Kunal. This is the flung jar, and I'm thankful to the Haryana State Archaeology for giving me permission to study the Kunal material. And very Kunal is very prominent site, and it yet to be published. The material is very important for the study of various phases of the Harappan civilization in the region. These are another specimens of early Harappan pottery from Kunal, and we can see horned motifs at Kunal. Such motifs are very common, and rather on other sides like Banavli, Bhildana, Farmana in the region, Honditi motifs are found, but not in that large number. But at Kunal, such motifs are very common. These are the some drawings of the pottery. You can see small bowls, big bowls, vases, handled vase, chocolate sleepware. These are the early Harappan silver beads recovered from Kunal, and in a hoard, such this material was found from the early Harappan context. This is a silver coin, sorry, silver crown found in the same hoard in the excavation at Kunal. And you can see here is a agate bead. These are the gold beads recovered from the Kunal excavation from the same hoard. And interestingly, this bead is about 12 centimeters in diameter, very big one. And there are a lot of sites of mature Harappan period in the region like Balu, Kunal, Bhidana, Banavli, Kanpura, Khanak, Farmana, Mithathal, Maneru, Badli, Lohat. These are the distribution of the mature Harappan sites in the region, and these dark dots represent the site explored by us. And these are the basic features of the early Harappan civilization in the region: fortification, streets, drainage, houses, long distance trade, pottery, seals, beads, copper technology, disposal of dead. Evidences of the fortification so far has been discovered from Banavli, Rakhigadi, Balu, Mithathal, and Bhidana. This is the fortification wall from Banavli, activated by Padamshiri Bisa. This is the defense wall from Bhidana. You can see eastern half of the fortification wall at Bhidana has not been discovered. Probably it was destroyed during the construction of a road. This is the site of Mithathal we excavated, and you can see the fortification wall clearly. And largely, this wall is destroyed by the local peoples for making land available for agriculture. And you can see the huge JCB marks here at several places. And these are the map of Mithathal and the fortification wall we were able to trace in these portions only. These are the streets and lanes of Farmana. can see this is the main street. It's about 3 meters wide. This is the street, main street from Bhirana. The lanes and bylanes from Bhirana excavations. You can again, these are the some lanes, small streets from Bhirana excavations. This is a very interestingly radial pattern evidence recovered from Banavali, and you can see, we can see 3 street meets at place, and this is the fortification. These old streets met together near the main entrance gate at Banavali. This is the beside this excavated in 2010 and 11, 12, Mithathal, and this around 3 meters wide a street. These are brunt brick drain of Bhirana, and this is a brunt brick drain recovered from the excavations at Rakhigadi. This is the drain, covered drain recovered from the excavation at Farmana. At Mithathal, we found the evidences of the terracotta drain pipe during the excavation, and this is the complete terracotta drain pipe. Such 3 drain pipes were recovered from here in this region. These are normal houses, 1 room or 3 room houses at Farmana, and some big complexes were also found during the excavations at Farmana. There's a small site, Badli, excavated by Delhi University and MD University, Rohtak. A very small rural settlement of Harappan period, located in the very close proximity of New Delhi. These are the Harappan seals recovered from the excavation at Farmana. We can see humped bull, water buffalo, and unicorns. Total 4 seals were found during the excavation at Farmana. These are the seals recovered from Banavali. We can see unicorn, some horned loin type animal, rhinoceros, ibex, and goat. This is very tiny seal around 1 centimeter square seal. Now, pottery, variety of pottery was found in the excavation exploration in the region, and this very beautiful S-shaped jar was recovered from Banavali excavation, now housed in the Haryana State Archaeology Department. And this fragmentary S-shaped jar was recovered during the exploration at Rakhigadi. These black slip jars are usually absent in the Ghaggar region. This is the only specimen which was found from Banavali, and I got a chance to get photo in the State Archaeology Department, Haryana. With the burial pottery, S-shaped jar, plate, beakers, flan jar, glass from Farmana burial site. These are some dish-on stand and bowl-on stand recovered from Farmana. A variety of painted pottery has been recovered from the various sites of Ghaggar region, and you can see the proper like leaf motif, plants and animal, peacocks. These are the beads of semi-precious stone found during the exploration in the region and excavation at various sites. These are the each Carlinian bead and banded agate beads. These are the Amazonite beads recovered from Banavali excavations, and I got a chance to document these material from Haryana State Archaeology. These are the beads of Carlinian recovered from Banavali excavations. These are the bead of agate, banded agate, recovered from the various sites during the exploration. And this bead made up of faience and imitation of banded agate beads. This agate bull was a part of jewelry hoard seized by police in Bhiwani district of Haryana. A site Pur yielded the remains of this hoard, and there's a very beautiful banded agate bull with gold horns, and this hoard, this long Carlinian bead with gold plate and small beads of floral motifs and these spiral rings and these jasper inlay rings, and these are around 5 centimeter long, and these the spiral rings recovered from the same hoards from the poor. This hoard is yet studied by anybody. These are the other beads of semi-precious stone and small gold beads of the same hoard recovered from the poor. The chart plate recovered from various sites during the explorations. With the weight chart weights recovered from the various sites in of Haryana, now housed in State Archaeology Department. The copper tools recovered during the exploration in the region, like spearhead and copper chisel. This spearhead was recovered during exploration in Farmana, and the chisel was found from the site Kasur. These are the big chisels during recovered from Kunal during excavations. Now disposal of debts. This is the site of Farmana excavated by us in 2010 under the Indus project. This is a grave of a small child, and old bones are dumped together, and a copper bangle was found as antiquity in this grave. This is the burial of a young lady, Farmana. This is the symbolic grave. Only grave goods are available, and skeleton was absent from this grave. These are the graves of Rakhi Gadi excavated by Nath Saab, and he was kind enough to provide these photographs. And you can see a gold armlet here and shell bangles in the head and a lot of pottery. See the another burial from Rakhi Gadi. This is the cross section of Farmana. You can see the dates from the lowest level, from the floor level 1, and the most of the dates are around 2400 BCE. And with another cross section of site of Farmana, and both the dates are like 2400 BC and 2300 BC. This is the cross section of Mithathal, and we have many AMS dates from this site, and this carbon 14 AMS dates are identically matching with the ceramic evidence recovered from the excavations. That site of Mithathal was first inhabited around 2200 BCE, and later on it's expanded during the late Harappan phase. These are the this is the resource network, the like where various kind of raw material, the statite beads, and the late Harappan or the post-urban culture. During the late Harappan period, we can see a large number of new settlements in the region. In the Ghaggar Basin, there are around 250 mature Harappan period sites, and during the late Harappan phase, there are around 1100 sites of the late Harappan or post-urban phase in the region. You can see the concentration of the sites in the Ghaggar Basin. A large number of sites are located here, and all the classical material like fortifications, pottery, seals are out of use during this phase. This pottery, later upon pottery was recovered from the site of Bedwa, late Harappan burial site, and these are the pottery specimens from the various sites found during the exploration in the Ghaggar Basin. more potteries from the region. You can see the classical Harappan shapes like as-if jars, beaker, perforated jar, goblets are totally absent in the Ghaggar basin during the post-urban phase. This is the burial urn recovered from the site of Bedwa, and a beautiful peacock is painted here. This is the copper hoard tools were also found from the region. This is the harpoon recovered from the Mithathal, now housed in the Jhajjar Museum, and the copper bangle. Faience material was very popular during the late Harappan phase in the region. Thank you.